Hi everyone, welcome back once again to VIH OSINT series. Today we have a website which is called Offshore Leak Database. This is a very important website if you are a cybercrime investigator or if you are a person who is much more interested into OSINT. So on this website you can find details about the person whose name was disclosed into this kind of leaks, which is Pandora paper, Paradise paper, Brahmas leaks, Panama paper, and offshore leaks. So simply what you need to do, you need to type out the name. Let's say there's a lot of people, the power players, those who are listed on this website. And if I from India, then you recently heard of a Panama paper leak. So you can type out the name. Let's say Sachin Tendulkar. This is for the education purpose only, and this is just a demo. I'm not going to humiliate anyone. So let's search Sachin Tendulkar. You can find out the name uh, of the people, those who are associated with your search. Like we had typed Sachin Tendulkar. So you can see Anjali Sachin Tendulkar is there, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. A lot of people who is associated with name Sachin and Tendulkar. So first is from India, and this is linked to Panorama Paper, Pandora Paper. Sorry for the spelling error. You can click here and much more information will be disclosed in front of you. uh, there's no much information about that specific person. You can go back and search someone else. So this is how you can find information about a person or a company which is basically not publicly visible, or those who were disclosed into the previous uh, what you say leaked. So as here you can see, we have clicked on Sachin, Anjali Sachin Tendulkar. This was linked out, and it has created a connection with SAS International Limited and Anjali Sachin Tendulkar, and this is the residential address. And if you click a little bit more, then you'll get little bit more information about the specific location, and this is the entity which is associated with this specific name, like SAS International Limited is there. If you click there, then you'll get a little bit more information with this mind map, and this is the address actually. If you click here, then this will become little bit more wider and wider. So yeah, this is a company which is at the nearby location. So this is how you can investigate a person, those who may come from this specific thing. So again, this is not for humiliating anyone. I just typed Sachin Tendulkar because it was recently in a news, which was the name that was disclosed into the Panorama paper leak. So that's all about this video. Write down your comment about how this website is, if you have ever visited, and how was the experience, and if you want to share some more insight, then always welcome. Have a great day. Jai.